if you thought Shin Sonic was weird, which I did, Shin Knuckles is weirder. He looks like Predator. So let's try to draw this. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause or go too fast. These guys are from a music video. I just realized this. Like I learned this. That there's songs. That horror skunks, am I right? So they're good. They're weird, but they're good. Oh, internet. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause or go too fast. Sever's eyes. Very weird small eyes. Beady little small eyes in his head. So, kind of like Shin Sonic. Up and over the top. Like that. Bottom eyelid. And then, just like a black, looks like a black eye with a white pupil. The opposite of what we normally have. Okay, so pupil, white, sort of glowing. And I'm gonna color around black. And eyelid lines. Kind of large. And then like a bottom eyelid line as well. We do the same thing over here, about an eye width. So like the width of his eye kind of fits in between there. Like from there to there, it's roughly an eye. Might be a bit more. But that's the general sort of distance you want to go over. Bottom eyelid. Kind of looks like a lemon, that kind of shape. And then circle. And a white pupil. And then we'll color black. Eyelid lines around. Like so. And then, so he's got this black nose. So we'll go sort of here. Similar to Sonic's, just like this sort of balloon sort of shape. You might see some nostrils here. And then this kind of mouth coming down this way. And then it kind of goes up here. Down the side. Right, it's like an exaggerated, really stretched out, long Sonic mouth. Okay. And then I think we go just around here. Like real big. Like way bigger than it should be, really. Okay. Creepy. Creepy already. So then like his top lip sort of joins just sort of there. And then we have another line around the inside with like the skin of his lip. So it just follows all the inside of this. Okay. And then we got to deal with the teeth. So kind of like when we did Shin Sonic, right? So we got a couple of layers, and it kind of starts like here. And then like under this, okay? And then we'll go just across for the first one. So it can be bumpy if you want, but it's easier, I think, to do it sort of this way. And then we kind of have a gum line, right? So definitely want one in the center anyway. Starting here. And then the teeth will kind of just bump across. You get a bit smaller down here then. Okay, and then like each of these would be a tooth. So you could draw a line. Okay. Right, so there's another sort of layer underneath that. You can kind of barely see it, but I'll add it anyway. So we'll go maybe here. Right, and each of these will be sort of a tooth on it as well. But it kind of disappears into the back of his mouth. That one does. And then we have another layer. So we'll go again, right? So kind of like, there's like a gum line there. And then a layer of teeth. Freaky, freaky. Teeth here. And then each of these will be a bump. And you want to have like one in the middle anyway. Sort of like that, right? And then it bumps around. And then just sort of each of these lines would be a tooth. Sort of curving around there. And then we have kind of like his pink gums here, there, and then the final layer of teeth, kind of, maybe a tongue. Will we see a tongue? We should. I'm gonna go here. And then the final layer. And so like his pink gum will disappear down into his jaw, sort of there. And that's like teeth. And then we'll do gums again. Okay, so that'll be pink. It's kind of dark all here. Yeah, right, okay, so side of his head. So let's see. So kind of, right, so we got like hair, but then like his sort of side of his head joins it sort of up here. Right. So it's kind of all one line. He's got those sort of dreadlock things that make him look like the Predator, just hanging down here. So another one there. there. Where does that one go? So I'll just bring it down that way. And then the top of his head. It's around that way. Then there's like some creepy sort of little hairs and stuff sticking up, I think. So weird. You are weird, Shin Knuckles. Okay, so these dreads keep going down around the body down here. Like another one here. Like that one probably disappears in behind there. And then one comes over this way. Then another one behind it. Right, and then, so his body and his arms, right? So he's like, got this rib cage like Sonic. Right, so just these sort of bones on the side. Kind of like that, right? And then I think his arm just goes this way. Just a long, skinny sort of tube, really. There's no muscles or anything. His other arm hangs down here. And then his legs are here. Again, no muscles, just skinny legs. And then I think there's another dread hanging down this way. And perhaps another one in there. And am I missing any of them? There, 1, 2, 3. I think maybe one more. Probably just carving this way. Right. Shin. Creepy Shin Knuckles. The internet strikes again. I gotta do shadow now, don't I? Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.